According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway, because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Ooh, black and yellow. Let's shake it up a little. Barry, breakfast is ready. Coming. Hang on a second. Hello? Barry? Adam? Have you ever needed marketing materials for your limo service but had no idea where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Creating designs can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you don't have a design background. The good news is that you don't need to be a professional designer or spend tons of money. Thanks to Canva, you can whip up high-quality, visually appealing designs in just minutes. And the best part? It's free and super easy to use. I'm Amir, and today I'm going to show you just how simple it is to create an Instagram post for your limousine business. First things first, choose your design dimensions. After logging into Canva, head to the top right corner and click Create a Design. Canva has tons of preset sizes for different platforms. Since we're making an Instagram post, choose that option. Your dimensions will automatically be set to 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is the perfect size for Instagram. Now, it's time to find a template that works for you. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a search bar and different template categories. Canva has thousands of templates, so you'll always find something that fits your style. For this example, we picked this sleek black and white design. Now for the fun part, customizing it. We swapped the colors for Moovs' signature blue, and with just a few clicks, adjusted the text to say something more relevant to our business. And just like that, we have a polished design. When you're happy with your design, you can download it as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF and post it on your website or your social media pages. With Canva, you can also create email banners, flyers, business cards, and so much more. The customization options are endless, and with new templates being added all the time, you'll never run out of fresh ideas. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be making marketing materials in minutes. It's honestly a game changer for your chauffeur service if you need high-quality designs on the fly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.